The goal of this activity is to really loosen up your entire body. Here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna line your back. You want your leg that's straight, or your foot that is, and your head to stay on the ground at all times. You're gonna get a yoga block or a foam roller. You're gonna put it between your elbow and your knee on the same side. With your opposite arm, what you want to do is you want to reach across your body and grip the back of your rib cage on this. That way it locks the other side into place. Now what you're going to do is whatever side is flexed up, so in this case my left, I'm going to roll to that side, inhale, roll towards, exhale, come back. I'm going to keep pressure on the block. I'm going to use my head and my body to basically turn that way. It's going to look like this. Inhale, turn. Exhale, come up. Head and foot do not leave. Just like that. And that's how it's done. Give it a shot.